Hi guys, this is my new trommel. Had that old one in here, that little spiral one, and that encouraged me to make this big thing. Same sluice and everything. Yeah, it ain't really new, but I mean I've had it for a week now, almost week and a half. No, I got the tailings where they're in there. I got a big rock in there. See, there ain't nothing up there. No. See, you lose stuff that way. And I got this old watering thing on there. That's what I use my old screen for, a pan holder. As you can see, I got stuff going off there. I'm almost out of water, but I went to Tractor Supply and bought a siphon tube. I haven't really set up anything that would work, because with the plain barrel like that, setting something up like that thing, that would just run out water too fast. I tried it. Then you got that, but I can't get that up there. I'd have to make a platform for it, and yeah, so I'm just thinking about things to do right now. I don't know if you can see it, but earlier I had, you can only see black sand in there. I don't know if you can see it, but, you know, there's a little bit in there. There's a trail that going there. That's not a great thing. I don't think this is, yeah. I knew that wasn't set up right, and this is all gonna get panned. It's just my little pan. It's only a little bit material, and I want to see what I'm actually getting. It's going down that far, because I don't want too much stuff going down there. I mean, I know I got a lot more material running through them sluices at the same time now. I know I'm not getting just that little bit of dirt I got in that dirt. Oh good, there really ain't nothing in there. That's all sand. So that's it for now. Wanted to show you that new trommel.